Sa Nasa Dance. So sabi ni Bina Devi, mag-dip siya sa Kusum Sarovar. So after dipping, lumabas yung Naradi Gopi. Naradi Gopi. So
parang version din ni Shiva.
Oo, parang Gopishwar na
Gopishwar.
Lord Shiva na Gopi form. Doon naman Narada Muni na Gopi form. So dyan sa Narad Kund. So after ng Rasa Dance, sabi ni Krishna, na-please din siya kay Narada Rishi. Dahil nakita niya, Naradi Gopi. Sabi niya, you stay here in Braj. Sabi naman ni Narada Rishi, I cannot stay in one place for 3 days because I was cursed by King Daksha. Alam niyo yun? Yung story na yun sa Bhagavatam. Dahil si King Daksha, progenitor siya. So, nagpo-produce siya ng sons para magparami ng lahi. Ngayon, meron siyang nag-produce siya ng around 60,000 sons para sila yung magiging progenitor. Pero nung na-meet nila si Narada Rishi sa somewhere in the forest, pinirichan sila ni Narada Rishi na maging brahmachari, na maging renunciant. So nag-renounce, naging sannyasi yung mga anak ni Daksha. Eh di nag-produce na naman si King Daksha ng another sets of sons. Thousands of sons again para mag-progenate. Namit na naman nila si Narada Rishi. Pinirichan ni Narada Rishi, naging renunciant na naman. Nabadit na si King Daksha. Kinas na si Narada Rishi na you will not stay long for more than 3 days in one place. You will keep on traveling and traveling. Kaya yun, that's why Narada Rishi is like a spaceman. He always travel from here and there. So Krishna wanted Narada Rishi to stay here, but Narada Rishi told, I was cursed by Daksha. Krishna said, Braj is not included in that curse because this is not part of the material world. That curse will only take effect in the material creation. So that's what happened. Narada Muni stayed there in Narada Kund. That is where he wrote the Narad Bhakti Sutra. You know this, there is one book like that. And that is also where he instructed Queen Kayadu, the wife of Hiranyakasipu, the mother of Prahlad Maharaj. So Narada Rishi, when Prahlad Maharaj is in the womb of Kayadu, Narada Rishi explained the teachings of Bhagavatam to his mother, Kayadu. That's why when Prahlad Maharaj came out from the womb of his mother, he was already a devotee of Lord Narayan. So Narada Rishi is staying there. Okay, that is the story here in Govardhan.
Haribol.